Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elle. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Today, let's talk about Realme's latest entry-level offering, the Realme Pad. And of course, you guys know that I made an unboxing video of this device, and if you haven't seen that yet, I will link that video right up here. Anyways, Realme's debut tablet offers a number of compelling features that gives it a good price-to-spec ratio on paper. But having this device for a little over 2 weeks, well, let's talk about its performance based from my experience. So let's go. The first thing that really captured my eye on this device is its premium build. The Realme Pad is covered in aluminum alloy with a matte finish. Plus, we got it in the color gold. So honestly guys, for a budget tablet, this looks and feels absolutely premium. You don't really get a lot of fingerprint smudges on the back since it has a slightly matte coating. And top that off with its absolutely portable size of 6.9mm ultra slim design and a weight of 440 grams, well, it's safe to say I can play games or watch movies on this tablet without feeling tired or slight heaviness on my wrist, unlike other heavy and bulky tablets out there. So guys, sobrang gaan talaga ng tablet na to. Hindi ka mangangalay or mabibigatan even if you're playing games or watching movies or videos. And honestly, this is actually perfect for my gaming stream. So if you guys want to tune into my streams, go ahead to the Unbox PH Facebook page. I go live there every Fridays, 7 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. I play games on different gadgets. It's gonna be fun. We can play games or Genshin. So yeah, see you guys there. Going back for its display, I honestly expected it to have an AMOLED screen since it does look the part. But the Realme Pad does have a high-quality 10.4-inch IPS LCD display with a solid 60 Hz. Colors may not be as vibrant as an AMOLED panel, but it does have good color balance and a pretty sharp and detailed display. Now, the screen sits at 360 nits peak brightness, which is good for indoor usage. This also has a great set of speakers with Dolby Atmos. Honestly, the audio quality and surround sound experience is pretty impressive for its price. And it has good volume loudness to it too. So here's an audio sample. Let's move over to its gaming performance. The Realme Pad has a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, and for its RAM it can go up to 4 gigs, and for its storage it can go up to 64 gigs of storage. But our model unit has a 3 gig of RAM and 32 gigs of storage variant. Now this also runs on the Realme UI for Pad based off Android 11. So for the games, it ran smoothly for Mobile Legends, graphic quality was good, and overall gameplay was incredibly smooth. However, since the buttons and characters are displayed on a larger screen, it did appear a bit blurry or some slight pixelation there. As for Call of Duty, you can play it on medium graphics and high frame rate. You rarely see some frame drops and stutters on this one, and animation was lag-free, and so far it's still a smooth and enjoyable gameplay for Call of Duty. While on Genshin, its default settings is set to the lowest, and well, I noticed some stutters from time to time, and graphic quality isn't that great in its default setting unless you amp it up to either low or medium settings. I noticed that the device warmed up a bit after I played on it for about 30 minutes or so, but it's nothing too alarming. So it's safe to say that the Realme Pad is capable of gaming as long as you manage your expectations when it comes to graphic settings. And if you're here for the numbers, check out our benchmark scores. In terms of the UI, this didn't come with a lot of bloatware, which I appreciate. The interface looks cleaner and simple, but it does have very limited options for customization features for the tablet. However, you can easily multitask on this, plus its split screen works well. For the battery, the Realme Pad is packed with a 7,100 mAh battery with an 18-watt quick charge and reverse charging. And based from our battery test, the Realme Pad lasted roughly 13 hours and 29 minutes of regular media consumption, which is very impressive. And as for charging speed, it took about 2 hours for it to fully charge from 0 to 100 and 30 minutes from 20 to 100. For the cameras, this has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide front camera and 8-megapixel rear lens. So far, the cameras are pretty decent for its price. The details and colors are a bit washed out, while dynamic range could be better. However, its front-facing camera makes it the perfect device for online meetings and classes. Plus, the noise cancellation microphones on this works well too. However, one thing that I do think is lacking here is the Realme Pad's accessories. And I do hope that Realme can further improve the Pad's edge by offering accessories to maximize its potential as an all-around productivity device. But hey, for its price, I can't complain because it already delivered a lot more than expected. From its premium-looking build to its impressive surround sound quality, capable processor, and stunning screen for productivity and games, I do recommend this device to students or for people who are looking for a budget-friendly device that can handle online meetings, multitasking, gaming, and some entertainment on the side. The Realme Pad is priced at 10,990 pesos for the 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM variant, and 14,990 pesos for the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM variant, and 16,990 pesos for the 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM variant. Now, the base model will have a special price in Shopee where it will be available for 8,990 pesos starting October 22. Meanwhile, in Realme stores and partner dealers nationwide, the 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM variant will have an early bird price of 9,990 pesos from October 21 to 31. So, what do you guys think about this tablet? Comment them down below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out unbox.ph for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell for more updates. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.